So I'm here at Bushy Park, the start of Flow King of the Hill. It's time. So this is the weekend before the big Sol Rally Barbados. And we use this event for a shakedown, and we also use it as seeding for the actual rally. So I'm a little bit nervous, very excited, because this is my 2020 bucket list coming through. And I'm also going to be taking my wife on the first run. So I have to be extra cautious. That is my excuse for being slow on the first run. So I need 3 more excuses for being slow. This is going to be the best 3 minutes you've ever had with me. Ten seconds.
I don't know, he was waving, so I waved. Wow, people can't done.
That was a bit fucking sketchy.
Oh my goodness. Obstacle course!
Finish here.
Okay.
The end.
Fifteen seconds. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 50 right 3 into left 3. Repeat right 3 into left 3. 100 right 2 junction. 400 left 5. Don't lift. Repeat left 5.
Lifted slightly, but better.
400 left 3, that was good. Repeat, left 3. 200 over crest, keep right. 100 turn right 2. 600 chicane left entry.
Alright, I'm having fun now.
You're doing good though. Repeat, chicane left entry. 50 turn left 2. 50 right 3, into left 3, into right 2. 20 left 3. 30 right 3. 20 left 4, into right 4. 20 left 3. 50 to finish, into 50 left 3. I recorded a 215, so it's probably a 214.
Yeah, I know I can still do a little bit better. Still a little iffy on that hill.
Yeah.
I don't have the balls to not lift.
You were better though.
Yes, I agree, it was better.
You only just barely lifted at the end.
Alright, that's King of the Hill done. All 4 runs. So yeah, first run, took Suzanne out. Had a fairly oh shit moment. Car got completely sideways for like no reason. Second run was alright. Third run was my best time. Run 4, missed change at the very beginning, so it's like there's no point. This run is ruined. Anyway, I finished. I think I should be finished 3rd in the group, so I'll take that. And I got a little bit of changes to do for next weekend for Rally Barbados. Gotta buy me some tires. My tires are almost destroyed by now. Yeah, so I survived King of the Hill. Next week is Rally Barbados.